I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, remove the card, and do not write to it. Connect a reliable USB card reader to your computer and verify the OS recognizes the device. Once seen, make a raw, read-only one image of the card with a tool like DD or Win32 Disk Imager. This protects the original media. Make sure to note the device identifier before imaging, because writing to the wrong drive destroys data. Create a timestamped image file and proceed using that copy, not the original card. Once you have an image, run recovery tools against that file instead of the card. Use test disk to rebuild partition tables when metadata is present. Use photo rec for deep file carving when metadata is gone. If the card is physically failing, run ddresq first to create the best possible image, then analyze the rescued image. Make sure to keep recovery logs and iterate with different tools. One tool may find files another misses. Validate recovered files before any formatting steps. Once recovery is complete and you've verified files, reformat the original SD card using full format and create fresh partitions. Choose FAT32 for 32 GB or XFAT for larger cards. After formatting, copy validated files back and run a few read/write tests to confirm stability. If files remain missing or the card still shows errors, try a different card reader or operating system. Sometimes Windows and Linux handle faults differently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.